My fellow money makers, it's been a while since I uploaded on my own channel, as I've been putting the heart and soul into building abundance and of course that socials and training my admins. And of course helping those that have some difficulties. Let me share my screen and show you guys what we're all talking about. As you can see, this is abundance staking. If we're going to go to the front page, you can see stake your USDT, earn up to 7.5% per 2 weeks. And on your contribution, of course. So you can see it here that we have decided to create a project for those that cannot comply to the KIC, have the minimum $100 to follow a trader, or are not allowed to do it because of country restrictions. You can see that why it's up to 7.5 per 2 weeks and not fixed. And of course, that is to prevent, if there's a bad time with my traders, that my traders just making losses, that I can still pay out, that there's no errors, no difficulties. Of course, you can see your initial contribution you cannot access, as you're going to get a percentage every 14 days. Multiple accounts is not allowed, and let's log into the site, guys. As you can see, I've now opened the site and it is opening on the staking tab, where if we connect our wallet, it will show that I have a minimum of $5.10 in my wallet, USDT. Of course, this is not enough to contribute, so let's press the buy USDT button, which will directly take you to the pancake swap, where you can just buy USDT. So in my case, let's say that I would want to buy 45 more USDT. That would be the price of 0.145 BNB. And of course, I'm always like keeping a little bit of BNB for transaction cost, for something that I have to do, or just anything. So we just made this transaction. Of course, you can add the USDT to your wallet. If you press this, it will just add it to your wallet. Now you can always see it in the MetaMask. And also this transaction has gone through, and you can see here that my total amount is now 50 USDT. And if we go to the website and we're going to refresh this page, it will show that it is 50 USDT in my wallet. So what we're going to do, guys, let's see if I can make a contribution because I'm already in it. Let me go like this. Let me put in $40. My total yield will be 100%. My projected return on investment is $3 in 2 weeks. That is like 7.5%. And also the maximum contribution is going to reach 250%. You can also like calculate it here in the calculator, but I say this one is a little bit more detailed. It shows more info. So we're going to press that stake, and then you will get a transaction, and this will say you have to pay 34 cents to put it in, and we have now put it in. You're going to see this amount here change, and also I'm going to show you guys where to find your contribution. As you can see it here in the right corner, transaction completed. Here is now added $40, making the total in the contract 12,531. And also, when the first round is ending, guys, that means that the first community profit will be here. This will be going to be a little bit over $1,000. So I would say that is not a bad start. You can see here the contribution histories. You can see the total amount you're going to get from it. You can see it here that it is like 150 contributed. It's going to be a total of 375. $400 is going to be a total of $1,000. $20 is going to be a total of $50, and etc. What I do have to say, guys, because we work in payment rounds, of course, I have to transfer the funds from the one place to the other place. We are working in payment rounds. It means that the contribution I just did of $40 is going to start working from the end of this payment round, where you must calculate like this. It doesn't matter if you're going to contribute 1 minute after the new round, let's make it different. It doesn't matter if you contribute like there's 13 days left before the new round starts, or that there is 13 minutes left before the new round starts, because your money is going to work in the same time. That means that when the new round starts, you can also see it here. Your contribution is going to start on the 22 April. Here you can see also your personal link. You can find it here after you have contributed. You can see the total team members you got. And of course, we do not offer a commission on deposit. We do not have any Ponsonomics, but we do offer a commission on profit share. This is like the first level is 10%. The second level is 7.5%. Third level, 5%, 4%, 2%, and then 1.5. How to calculate this? Well, guys, it's really simple. Let's say your people earn $100. you're gonna get first level 10% bonus is $10. Let's say your second line is going to earn $100. You're gonna get 7.5% is $7.5. That is how to calculate that. Of course, we can go to the management tab where we find some more info. As you can see, your total contribution amount, your total withdrawal amount, and also the expected profit based on average current percentage that we offer. But let's refresh this page again. And here you can see that it is also showing the reinvest button and the withdraw button. And do not forget all of our socials. If there are any more questions on how to work with the project, I would invite you to join our communities. We have wonderful moderators. We have our loving community that's also willing to assist. And of course, you can also find me there with giving some more info. All links and all Zooms I make is without my own ref link. Why? Because of course I'm the owner. I think it's more fair that if I do not push everything to me. So yeah, this is my tour on how to do this. And I would love to invite you to join the project. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, wishing you a wonderful day and stay safe out there, guys. This project is built to last a lifetime, to stay safe, and to be transparent as can be. To prevent ourselves and our people to get hurt in another way, any other way. So as you can see, my daughter in the background is climbing. And this is the end of my video. Stay safe out there, guys. And you'll meet me in the chat again.